The answer on a first offense DUI is no. You can get a work restricted license, which means you'll have to wait a month of no driving. And then you can go to DMV and show them that you're enrolled in the school and that you have SR22 high risk insurance. Those companies will electronically file those things with DMV. So it's important that you do that quickly, especially getting enrolled in the DUI school, because that could take a little while. And then you pay a reissue fee and you can get a work restricted license. Typically, if you got convicted of a DUI, of a regular DUI, you're going to have that work restricted license for 12 months. It used to be 6 months, now it's 12 months. If you got a wet reckless, it would be half of that if you didn't win the DMV hearing. And that's what you're looking at. The wet reckless conviction in court does not result in requiring any type of a restricted license if you can win your DMV hearing. So a lot of times people say, oh, why should I get a DMV hearing or try and do this? I'm going to have to get a restricted license later anyways, or do a class later, or any of that stuff. If we can avoid, and we have many times, our client from having to have a work restricted license or an ignition interlock license, it is so worth it. And what you have to watch out for are these companies that will call you out of the blue. They'll see you got arrested. They'll find your cell number. They'll cold call you, and they'll say, hey, we can help get you driving quicker. And they'll say, we can, show you how to get an IID license or a work restricted license or something like that. But what they're not telling you is that you're giving up all your legal rights here, because they're just telling you, go ahead and, don't request a hearing with DMV and just go right into suspension and eventually restriction, when that might be something that doesn't even need to happen. So get a lawyer. Do not deal with those people. Those cold callers are people who are not lawyers, and they do not have your best interest in mind.